Hi, and welcome to my YouTube channel. As this is my first video talking about my channel, I'll be speaking about my plans in this channel. So stay tuned. So for the introductions, my name is lawm. My friends call me OP and I'm 21 years old. I've been training for calisthenics like 5 years or so, and I've just graduated from Delhi University earning my degree in BA English Honors. And before we digress further on, I'll be I'll be putting up a few cautionary notes. As you can see, I'm stuttering as well. So for the cautionary notes, as you can see, my pronunciation in English is not that fluent and inaccurate sometimes. As you can see, I'm not good at that. Although I am having a degree on it, good at I'm not fluent in pronunciations. So my my apologies. So let's talk about my plans in this channel. So my first and central plan is to promote gymnastics through calisthenics. I know that I won't be able to compete in gymnastics, so for the younger generations to come, I wanted to promote gymnastics as it is an all-rounded sport, unlike calisthenics. But yes, I'm a calisthenics athlete and I've been training for 5 years. So for the youngsters and more generations to come, I want to be one of the pioneers of gymnastics in Mizoram. So I've been doing this for a lot of time now. I want to dedicate all my time and my efforts to the future generations. So I might be making tutorials or maybe make motivational videos or something like that. I don't have any plans or such right now, but yes, I'll be uploading frequently and I'll be speaking out and vlogging. I'll be doing a lot of exercises and I'll be making my exercise charts, my cycles and my mesocycles and all as such complications. I'll make it simple. And yes, secondly, I want to dedicate this channel as a safe place to discuss literature and a journal as well, so that I can post my progress both in calisthenics and literature. Also, we can discuss a lot of things regarding English literature and Mizo literature, poetries, essays, short stories, anything like that. So for the rest of this video, I'll be talking about my progress in calisthenics so far in 2020. So far in pulling exercises, um, currently I'm doing weighted pull-ups of 25 kgs, I guess. 25 kgs, doing around 5 to 8 reps of 5 to 6 sets. I'm doing weighted sets so that I can improve upon my one arm pull-ups, which I think I can do one arm pull-up, a rough one arm pull-up without touching my shoulder, which I really need to clean it a bit. I'm not really good at that anyways. So that's my pulls, and my pushes. So far I can do 5 handstand push-ups, 5 free handstand push-ups, and with the parallettes I can do around 2 to 3 handstand push-ups. So this year I'm aiming for 5 to 8 free handstand push-ups. The pick is really hating me right now. I don't know why. So anyways, I hope that I get my 5 to 8 free handstand push-ups and maybe 5 reps of parallettes handstand push-ups this year. And with regards to pulling exercises, I hope I get my front lever this month or next month or so, and get used to the feeling of weighted pull-ups. Also, I hope that I get my clean one arm pull-up where the bar touches my shoulder like this, and I don't think I'll get my left arm one arm pull-up, clean one arm pull-up, because I'm still having this shoulder problem here where it's connected to my bicep somehow, some way. I really need to recover this like within 6 months or so. It takes time to recover my shoulders, and the tendons are a little bit injured here, so it takes time to recover. I hope I get my clean one arm pull up on my right arm this year. So with regards to literature, I hope that I improve my rusty degree in somehow, some way. I'm rereading a lot of Shakespeare's plays, and I'm looking back at I'm starting from Chaucer. No, way back from Chaucer. I'm starting from Beowulf, if I pronounce that correctly, and I'll be going from Beowulf, then starting from there the present 21st century literature. So yeah, I'll be talking a lot about novels and plays and poetries, epics and all and stuff like that in this channel too. So yeah. So that's it for this video and I hope you enjoyed it. But I won't be expecting you to like this video or subscribing or in such ways. I'm using this as a tool to improve myself. So thank you so much for watching. See you soon.